Hi, I'm Paula Snow with eXp Realty, and today I wanted to show you a floor plan by Adams Homes that is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, plus an office. And best of all, what I love about this floor plan is that it has a 3-car garage. Very rare to find a home here in our area with a 3-car garage, so come check this one out. So when you enter here, the space immediately to the right would be the dining room table space. And then this is the home office space, which some of our neighbors have this plan, and I've seen them use this either as a home office or even as a formal living room or as a bonus room / TV area. So nice, big, spacious living room in this floor plan. And then the breakfast nook is right here, space for a breakfast table, and then nice big open kitchen, granite counters. So the kitchen faucet is missing. That will be installed. And as you can see, it's very open. So for the sake of entertaining, if you're in here cooking, you can still be talking to your guests that are in the living room or family that's sitting at the breakfast table. So there is a pantry right here in the kitchen. And the other really cool thing about this floor plan is that because it's got the 3 full bathrooms, this area over here would make a perfect guest suite because it's got the bathroom right next to it. So some people will use this as a guest suite or even a mother-in-law suite. I do want to point out that carpet comes standard in the bedrooms. The other areas will be some sort of hard surface flooring, but the buyers paid extra to have the bedrooms updated to Cortex flooring. So laundry room space here and the garage. Oh, I might as well show you the garage so you could see the 3-car garage. So you could see 2-car garage on this side, 1-car garage over here. The builder does put in stairs for the attic access, and then this is the door to the side yard. So this area over here has the other 2 bedrooms and then a bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. And then linen closet, another bedroom here. If you're thinking of putting a pool in, this could be a great option because it's got this bathroom right here, which opens up to the back porch, making it super easy for guests to be able to come in from the outdoor area, from the pool area, and use the bathroom. And let's go check out the master. So it is a split floor plan with the master on the opposite side from all the other bedrooms. And there is a door from the bedroom to get out to the covered back porch. It's got soaking tub and the shower, and then water closet there. So the mirrors have not been installed yet, so that builder will install mirrors. So it's got 2 separate vanities, which I love because sometimes my husband's stuff ends up on my side, and so this way each person gets their own space. 2 walk-in closets. If you have questions about this floor plan or any other floor plan and you are thinking of building a new home, you like new construction, or if you are looking to buy a home in the area, I will put all of our contact info down below. Feel free to call, text, or email us anytime. Thanks so much for joining me today.